One morning, Radha and Krishna were enjoying the pleasant weather of Vrindavan. Uddhav comes to them and asks them about their plan for the day. Krishna then suggests to play games with a ball on the bank of river Yamuna. In Brahmalok, Lord Brahma is very upset because of the tyranny of demons on the earth. While playing, Uddhav tells Madhav that they must stop Radha in order to beat Krishna in the game. Radha challenges them to face her first to defeat Krishna. After hearing this, Uddhav aims at Radha with the ball, but Krishna intercepts and saves her. Uddhav and Madhav decide to seek Balram's help to beat Krishna in the game, but Balram suggests that they play on their own. While all of them are having fun playing with each other, Brahmadev watches the kids playing and asks Munishresht about who they are.
ब्रह्मदेव, भले ही ये रूप बालक का है, पर ये हमारे परम परमेश्वर विष्णु जी हैं। विष्णु जी ने पृथ्वी लोक को दानवों से मुक्ति दिलाने हेतु मनुष्य रूप में जन्म लिया है, और अब ये नन्हा बालक असुरों और दानवों का काल बना हुआ है। नारायण नारायण।
Lord Brahma decides to test Krishna's powers after learning about him. On earth, Krishna and his companions plan to go to the river Yamuna to take a bath. Meanwhile, Lord Brahma creates 3 magical flying creatures and orders them to bring the kids to Brahmalok.
आदेश कीजिए ब्रह्मदेव।
यमुना किनारे खेलते हुए उन बालकों को देख रहे हो?
चलो जल्दी से पानी भर लेते हैं। चलो चलो। हाँ, नहीं तो कान्हा फिर हमारी मटकी फोड़ देगा। अरे नहीं, कान्हा मटकी नहीं। रहने दो राधा, हम सब जानते हैं कान्हा को।
One by one, all of Krishna's friends disappear except Radha. One of the flying creatures comes close to Radha to catch her, but vanishes after seeing Krishna. While searching for his friends, Krishna meets Garuda, who informs him that someone took his friends into the space and offers to help him. Radha and Krishna decide to search for their friends, but on the way, a huge monster attacks them.
कितना बड़ा राक्षस है।
कान्हा, वो विशाल दानव हमारी ओर ही आ रहा है। बचो बचो कृष्णा बचो।
गरुड़ जी, आप चिंता न करें।
मुझसे बचकर ब्रह्मलोक तक पहुंचना आसान नहीं है कान्हा।
Finally, Radha and Krishna enter into Brahmalok.
खेलोगे मुझसे?
Krishna meets Brahma and Munivar and greets them. Lord Brahma seeks an apology for putting Krishna to test. Krishna forgives him and says that they must clarify their doubts, but also says that sometimes unwanted doubts aren't always good. Krishna requests Lord Brahma to send them back in time to planet Earth, as their parents would be worried about them.
ब्रह्मदेव, आपके इस परीक्षा प्रकरण से एक समस्या उत्पन्न हो गई है।
कैसी समस्या यशोदानंदन?
आपने मेरी इस परीक्षा में जो समय लगाया वो आपके लिए एक क्षण भर था, परंतु धरती का तो 1 वर्ष व्यतीत हो गया। अब वहाँ सब हमारे लिए चिंतित होंगे। मैं धरती पर जाकर क्या कहूँगा?
अब इस समस्या का समाधान भी आप ही बता दीजिए।
एक ही उपाय है, आप समय चक्र को उल्टा घुमाकर धरती को 1 वर्ष पीछे के समय में स्थित कर दीजिए।
नारायण नारायण।